Several gunshots ending in the loss of a life of a 52-year-old policeman who operated under the Orlando East Police Station and the Soweto East cluster. This morning, his wife entered their bedroom and was met by several gunshots.
Today at about 7:30 in the morning, a 52-year-old policeman who's stationed at Orlando Police Station under Soweto East cluster shot himself. Unfortunately, he passed on.
Police have confirmed that she was the only person who was in the house at the time.
Immediately after the wife entered the room, she heard gunshots. We're only focusing on her.
Details around why he committed suicide are still sketchy at this point, but a case of inquest has since been opened to try and connect the dots.
What is going to happen now is the full investigation of the inquest case to determine why did he kill himself, the circumstances surrounding his death.
Police have described him as a man who was committed to the South African Police Service. Family and neighbors are left devastated by this tragedy. Mnisi, Soweto TV News in Dobsonville.